guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a quick little IKEA haul. I went because we needed curtains and one thing led to another. But I wanted some organization stuff because I am full-blown spring cleaning mode. So I did go ahead and pick up some of these. I don't know what they're called. Hold on. They're called the Kugis bins. There's tons of different sizes, but they basically come with these like really hard plastic, like acrylic lids. They don't snap in or anything, and these are stackable. So two of this size, which is a 10 1/4 by 13 3/4 of an inch. These fit in the IKEA like cubby holes, two stacked on top of each other. So that is why I got those. My friend Christina said they've been durable. She's had them for a while, so I was waiting on those guys, and I do want to eventually get bigger ones and put them on top of my thing, but I need to go through all that first. Next, I got these. So these guys are just, you know, like our normal bead storage, but these are a lot taller. As you can see, look how like thick they are than any of the Walmart ones or stuff like that. And these were, I think, $3.99. And they, you know, they got the swivel latch. They are frosted. Okay, so if you do notice, look at, you can, it locks right here, but you're still able to pull it. So it's not the most secure closure, but you can stack them on top of each other with the little feet and the holes go kind of like a Lego. But it opens up, and you know, this is for bigger things. So stuff that I have a ton of, I'm going to put in here versus like, you know, the little tiny trays that are for beads, or, you know, something that's super thin, like all the bead ones are really shallow. Those are for beads. This is going to be for other stuff. So I did go ahead and pick up two of these. Again, they do stack on top of each other. And then everything else I wanted shelves to match the shelves I have in here. Those are no longer there. All of the tables, I was going to get a desk for my child because of the whole homeschooling thing. That every single desk said out of stock, out of stock. They get it overseas. They get it from other countries. I know it's like outsourced in Mexico and other countries. And the whole COVID thing, literally everything was out of stock in like at my store for sure. So that kind of sucked. Saved me some money though. But I will insert some footage of some of the maybe crafty things that you could use for your craft room. Just a couple things I did see. And then also I did get a shelf, a desk shelf. And my husband said, well, where are you going to put it on the desk? I said, I don't know yet, because all of the edge of my desk all the way around is full. So I'm gonna have to move some stuff around, but I'll insert that. And it did come in green. It's green. So I'm gonna have to spray paint that back panel. So here's one shelf that has like 3 little shelves. This is in the kids department, the Paul. This is $20, but you could always spray paint that back piece. Then this is the one that I got. It has little cubbies on the top, and then it has the back green panel, which is green, that I'm gonna paint. Next is, this is like in the spice kitchen area, but that's a very shallow, you could probably put behind a door. So I'm just showing you how deep it is, probably glitters. This was in the like bath area. This is like a plastic little $9.99 baby Rascog. I don't know what you would call that, but there's 4 tiers. It's about as deep as my hand. Then they had like a little red metal one. This one was $27 with like the wired mesh. This one kind of looked like a hair salon thing that they roll around like a little cart. And then here's like a silver one. I'm just kind of like looking at the prices. That was kind of expensive, $39. Then they had a little white plastic one. These are very like small in comparison to the, oh my gosh, this one was a baby one, $9. Probably goes like on a desk. It does not have wheels. There's some more shelves like in the bathroom section on display. Then they had this. It's like an unfinished wood piece. This is $19.99. The drawers come fully out. You could easily paint this, alter this, you know, maybe add vinyl. I don't know. Comes with 3 on the top, 2 in the middle, 1 on the bottom. Then these are wine inserts for the Calyx unit, but you could use that for other stuff. And then these are in the kids section, a little like staggered shelf. You could add glitter or sequins.